Hi guys, let me show you how quick, easy and convenient it is to create lead magnets, share them, store them and track them and make sure they help grow your list using LeadCreator. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead here and start a timer on my computer here, and I'll do a stopwatch here and we'll see how long it takes me to create one lead magnet. Okay, so I'll hit start here and go into my LeadCreator. I'll go here, create new lead magnet. And I'll give this a name here, so I'll call this testing. Here, give it a category. And then here, what I'll do is I'll choose a template. Right now we have these here, but coming up to October, November, December of 2024, we're adding a whole bunch more here to help you create awesome content. If you want to have a blank page, so you can create your own template, click on blank page, and it's all here. But I'm going to use the YouTube summarizer. Okay. Then all I do is I go to my video here. This is my video from a few days ago. I go down here and I go and grab the transcript, which is right here. I simply toggle off the timestamps here, and I can highlight this like so here, like so, copy, hey presto, pop it in here, like so, create. Okay, we're 1 minute and 50 seconds in. Okay, so here you can see now that it's created a nice summary of my video. Okay, and now if I want to go ahead and change things, move things, I can simply highlight it. So I can go here to ask AI, I can give it different prompts and so on, continue writing. I can put in my custom prompt right here. So, you know, rewrite as a pirate. Okay, like so. And then I can go ahead here and simply change that if I want to, replace section, replace that. Here, if I want to have this here as a heading, right, heading 1, for example, and I can change this here to, again, whatever I want to have it as, okay? If I want to go and add some images, simply go here and hit / and upload image, and so on, and so on, and so on, okay? And then from there, I can go to publish, right there, publish, and then click on view. And then this is the link I would then share with my audience, okay? And here you can see, poof, people have to opt in here to actually get access to the lead magnet. And here you have the option here under the email capture to change the templates. So right now we have the standard, the ebook style and the blurred button here. The ebook style is a very standard thing there. And here you can see as well, we have this awesome little blurred button feature here. And right now we're adding new features as we go every few weeks. And so I'm going to go ahead here and add the ebook style. I'll click on here and upload an image here. I'll just go and pick a random image here like so. Boom. There we go. And then I'll go to the next stage here, and here I can edit the actual form here. Okay. So enter your awesome email. Okay. Obviously you would come up with something better than that, right? That's just an example. And then here I would go ahead and put in my privacy policy. So I'll just go ahead and put something in here. Okay, and then here you put in a nice call to action for your button right here. Okay, and then I'll go to the next step here, step 3, which is the color choice here for the button and so on, but I'll leave that as it is. Here I'll choose my trigger. The trigger is, right now we have a blur timer function. So after 3 or 4 seconds, then the pop-up will appear with this form here. Or I can do the half-page blur or on mouse scroll. Okay, but for me now, what I'll do is I'll do the half-page blur. I quite like that one. And then here for the integrations here, I can then integrate with my autoresponder of my choice. For this example here, I'll just choose my system here and just pick that one there. Okay, and then click on save. Right, and here as well, I'm going to go ahead and activate my my affiliate link here. So we'll go here and I'll click here, add a referral link, and then I can turn it off actually because I am the admin after all. And then here, that's it. Click on publish. Okay, and then click on view. And you can see now this here blurs out the bottom half of the lead magnet. So for someone to come here and read this here, they have to actually opt in to get the rest of this lead magnet. Okay, so you can see how powerful this is. And this means that when somebody has opted in, so if I go here now and just go like this and just put in an email here. We're also adding in a new feature this week to allow for double opt-in, so you can avoid getting spam. Now they have access. This is now cookied to their browser. Okay. Hey presto, there we go. That's what, 5 minutes right there. Okay.